I'm just so happy for our team, and it's so surreal, you know. We just made history, and it's just hard to put into words, you know. Everyone just came together when they were coming back. We just all started hitting shots, and I've never seen anything like that before. It's surreal.
Well, again, congratulations, Jared. Ngayon naman, kausapin natin, Ali Pic! Ali Pic! Okay, not si Ali Pic, Ryan Reyes. Okay? I mean, you've done a remarkable job defending your team. So, yes, you've done a remarkable job defending your team. So, how happy are you to actually get this third Philippine Cup championship?
Oh man, we're just so blessed, you know. I can thank the God above for all this. This team is just remarkable. The group of guys, all of them, each and every one of them on this team contributed a lot in this team and everything. I love these guys. We're so happy. We're gonna celebrate tonight. Yeah. I just want to say hi to my kids in the States. Jalen, Brennan, I love you. All of my family, everybody. Hi.
Alright, now kasama naman natin ngayon ang ating alpha male ng TNT, Jimmy Alabag. You've led your team, you know, with your skill and with your composure. How sweet is this victory for you?
That's that's cold. It's been amazing. You know, thank God for putting together a special group of guys. This journey's been amazing. You know, we've been through so much on and off the court, and you know, and guys got so much respect for each other, and to finish with a championship, it's unbelievable.
Congratulations, Jimmy! Ngayon naman, where is our best player of the conference? Napaka-ganda ng pagtatapos ng conference na to para sa iyo, Jason. In-expect mo ba na ganito matatapos ang Philippine Cup Finals this season?
Hindi, kasi in-expect namin na hindi abot na hindi ganun yung result, pero yun nga sabi ni Coach na kailangan namin laruin ng 1 game at a time para manalo sa series na to. So yun yung result nag-import.
Congratulations! Nasaan si Ranidel? Ranidel! Sabi mo sa akin natatandaan ka na sa sarili mo, pero super bagets na bagets yung energy na pinakita mo, and you are the MVP Finals! You're the most valuable player!
Lahat kami dito Finals MVP. Pantay kami dito. Babati na lang ako.
Okay, go!
Binabati ko yung kumpare ko dyan sa Pampanga. Saka mga kapatid ko sa Bataan. Si Tito Dante, Tito Lin, saka si Julius, saka yung mga taga-Hulugan sa Cavite. Ng Montalban, Rizal.
Kayo, Mayor!
Maraming salamat!
Mr. Racing Higher! Kelly Williams! You know you've done a lot of amazing dunks earlier, so how high can you possibly rise after this championship?
You're more wet than anybody else in here, but yeah, that was incredible. The last 6 minutes were incredible. That's just how we've been the whole season, sticking together, and wow, man, that's just all I can say is wow. This one is definitely for my mom. This one's for Detroit. Thank you to the fans. This is what we do with right here.